So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Plex subtitle not working, encoding, offset, force subtitle and cache fix. So fix 1 is fix file name and folder structure. Open the folder containing your video file, locate your subtitle file usually ending in SRT, ASS or VTT. Rename the subtitle file to watch the exact spelling of the video file. Add the 2-letter language code before the extension. Example of the matrix 1999.mp4 or the matrix 1999.en.srt. Keep both files inside the same folder. Second fix is turn on local media asset. Open Plex web app on the computer. Click the setting icon. Scroll down the left sidebar to the settings section and click agent. Click the movies tab. Select your primary agent and check the box for local media asset. Click the source tab. Select your primary agent and check the box for local media access. Click and drag local media asset to the top of the list in both apps. Third fix is refresh your metadata. Go back to your Plex home screen, however over your movies or TV show library in the left sidebar. Click the 3 dots that appear next to the library name. Click refresh all metadata. Wait a few minutes of the scan to finish. Fourth fix is change automatic subtitle preference. Click your user profile icon in the top right corner of the Plex web page. Click account setting, look for the audio and subtitle setting action section and click the box next to automatically select audio and subtitle track. Set subtitle mode to always enabled. Set prefer subtitle in your preferred language. Then click save changes. Fifth fix is force burn subtitle on your TV device. Turn on your streaming device, Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV or Smart TV. Open the Plex app. Select your user profile icon on the left menu to open setting. Scroll down and click advanced. Find burn subtitle. Click or change the setting from automatic to always. So thanks for watching.